everyone! Welcome to my vlog. Another video, another panty haul. Welcome to my channel guys. For today's video, yes. Ayan, meron na naman akong binili na. Nabili ako ng panty, yes guys. So I have my new panties. Siyempre guys, ano ba naman ang hindi gusto ng green and blue colors. One of my favorite blue, okay. Ayan, maganda siya guys, okay. Yung green muna. The green one guys is, I think large na siya. XL. This one is XL guys. Ayan, very very nice one. And, ganito yung ano niya guys. Ayan. Ito siya guys, is na seamless to siya. Yung parang, mag-fit good siya. And I really like it guys because wala siyang garter. Look. No garter guys. No garter. Wala siyang garter na typical na yung garter talaga. Ito wala siya. Okay. So this is XL. Susuot natin to guys. I really like this one. So ang isa naman is parang blue. Yeah, blue siya. But check guys. Galing ako na exercise. So, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, okay? So, ang pangalawa natin is ito, okay? So, ito naman siya, guys. I really like it also kasi nga, dito siya, guys. Maganda siya. I really like it. Pack to nun. Pack. Okay, ganito siya kaganda, guys. I really like it. So, tingnan naman natin. Ito mas malaki siya kaysa din sa isa. This is bigger. XL. They are both XL. But this one is bigger size than that green one. Okay? So, yan. So, ganyan siya guys. Huwag natin patagalin pa. Let's go and wear this. This is the one. Goy, very small. Hindi ko siya kaya guys. Very small guys. Ganyan. Oh, not fit to me guys. Very, ganyan siya guys. This is not fit to me. Very small, very tight. Pero, maganda sana yung ganito niya eh. But, no, this is small. Mukha akong suman guys. So, it's very small, no, hindi. Not this one. I feel like I look so fat in this video. In this panty di ay very small. So, ito yung isa. Maganda siya. Very fit. Maganda yung kanyang tanawa guys. It's nice. Right? Fit siya. Tama yung kanyang fittings dito. And then dito also is very very nice one. Okay. Yung kanyang harap guys is nice also. Ayan, maganda siya. Maganda yung kanyang fittings. Ito talaga yung gusto ko. Yung ganito, maganda siya dito. And then yan. Wala kasi siyang garter. Kaya maganda siya guys. Like and subscribe everyone and comment below if you like the video. Thank you for watching guys.